arteries and veins, his nerves, everything in here. This one represents the cremaster muscle here, and there was another one. Well, these fibers here represent the cremaster muscle. All of this is the spermatocord.
Okay. So you can't see the cremaster on that one, right?
No.
Okay.
But these lines here represent the cremaster muscle. All I have to do is say name this muscle.
Okay.
So now this guy swings around. It's going to go right past the seminal vesicles. There's one on the other side.
Okay.
And it's going to enter the prostate gland. Once it enters the prostate gland, we have a name change. It's called the ejaculatory ducts.
Okay.
The tissue is actually different. That's why there's a name change. No, why the name change? Well, by now you know. Okay. And then it's going to go out through the penis. Now, what we have now is the male urethra divided into 3 sections. Okay. Backing up. What is not shown here is the bulbourethral gland or the Cowper's gland. Okay. It's actually lateral. We did have a model at one time, but we don't have it anymore. So this portion here is called the prostatic portion of the urethra. This portion here is the membranous portion of the urethra, and the rest of this is called either the penile portion or the spongy portion. This here is called the corpus spongiosum. That's why it's called the spongy portion. This structure up here on top is one of two. My mind is gone now. Corpus cavernosum.
Okay.
One of them is a corpus cavernosum. Both of them are the corpus cavernosa. Either plural or singular is going to be okay with me.
Okay.
The corpus spongiosum expands at the tip of the penis to form the glans penis, which in uncircumcised male is covered by the prepuce or the foreskin. Again, foreskin here, no foreskin there. On this model, no differences. I think that covers about everything I have on this particular model. On this one, they wind up showing the vas deferens coming up here, going around, going right past and right past the major portion of the seminal vesicles. Everything joins in together here. Here you have, again, the prostate gland. Shown on this particular model here is a cross-section of the penis, as it's shown here, showing the spongy portion with the urethra in the middle, and here you have the corpus cavernosum. Now, anything different on this particular one? I can't see anything really different here that would be different on any of the others. Let's see what this guy looks like. Well, that's the same as before. Okay.